So guys, just reached Gokarna station. It is super hot. The sun is right above me. Just waiting for the train. The station is completely deserted. Matlab, it is a ghost station, literally. I don't know why people don't use the Gokarna station. It's one of the best and fastest way to get from Gokarna to anywhere and to Gokarna from anywhere. So, but guys, my trip to Gokarna has been mind-blowing. People told me it's a sleepy temple town, but if you want to find activities around it, there are like million things to do. Like, I cannot recommend this place enough. My first experience in staying in a hostel, और मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ कि I think अब से जब भी मैं अकेला ट्रैवल करूँगा I will only stay in hostels, क्योंकि आपको लोग मिल जाते हैं, you get company to go to places, things to do, suggestions. पता है अगर आप एक होटल में रहते हो तो it's a very closed atmosphere. Hostel का ना it's a very open atmosphere. Everyone's just chilling. There's a common room. Everyone's talking about the experiences of the day. You know what the other travelers have done. You can do that the next day. अभी hostel जैसी जगह it's a very good hostel. I would say that in the hostel category it's a 5-star hostel. Amazing facilities. Mind-blowing character. The second place where I stayed at C'est La Vie Hostel. It's an upcoming place, guys. Do go there. 400 rupees for the night with AC, a bed. I stayed there one night. The guys there who run it, two brothers, I think, pretty cool people. Amazing experience in Gokarna. Now I'm off to another place, hoping that that too will be amazing like this. Now just waiting for my train. I caught the 2:45 Karwar-Bangalore Express. The journey was smooth and scenic, and 3 hours later, I found myself in Udupi. So just got to Udupi now to find my Airbnb as usual, but I've got great instructions. So guys, just got a rickshaw from the train station at Udupi. They got a nice prepaid system here. So basically Udupi is a small coastal town in the west coast of Karnataka. Now I'm just heading into Manipal. Manipal is basically where the Manipal University is, and it's also like a very big educational hub in not only Karnataka but in India. And that's where my Airbnb is going to be.